Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this really nice office chair. It could be really good for gamers too, but I think that for our home office, this one, it is a really good one. Super soft, really comfy, and extra firm. I was actually surprised in how firm this one is to withstand 400 pounds. Just based on the size of this chair, which is not a super tall chair, you're going to see that 400 pounds is a lot of weight. It also comes right here with the instruction manual for the installation. It took me about, I want to say, between 15 or 20 minutes, no more than that, with power tools. But this one, besides anything else, it is really soft. Just this kind of like fabric over here, really soft. And the breathable mesh makes it to be really good for hot days. This one right here, you can adjust the height. You can tilt it, or you can adjust the height for even taller people, I want to say, probably up to 6.3, I think so. 6.3 foot is gonna be kind of like for tall people. Comes in multiple colors, but this one right here, it is the firmest part of this chair is gonna be right here, which I think it is really firm to withstand those 400 pounds. Let me show you something else. So one more time, as you can see, really firm, high density foam over here to withstand those 400 pounds. And these are also somehow padded, so you can't modify the height of this armrest, but these are gonna be padded. The best thing about this chair, it is right here on the lumbar support that you can adjust it and you can push it upwards, so you're gonna have that really nice sitting position, like 90-degree sitting position. Is gonna push you a little bit more, so it's gonna give you that position with the headrest over here. But then let me show you this. So what I also like about this chair is it comes with this dedicated footrest, so you can actually use it like this. Of course, like every other chair, you can modify the height. Super nice and easy. But also right here, you're gonna find that I can unlock this really nice kind of like recliner over here, which goes, I think, like 160 degrees or something like that. It is really, really nice. And I can adjust this one if I want, just to have a really nice headrest over there. With the footrest, you can see that this is perfect for napping. I think it is fantastic just for that. And by the way, I can lock it in any position. So I can lock it in there if I want, or just unlock it, push it back, lock it back again, put the footrest, not the headrest, down, and you're all set. Again, super nice for the home office situation. 400 pounds weight limit. You're also gonna have the adjustable lumbar support and adjustable tiltable headrest, and really nice breathable pads with this firm cushion. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.